Hey folks, welcome to Hungry Tummies. It's good. It's a beautiful day. It's good weather out here. Very cloudy. It seems to be raining out here. That's a. So let's begin with our recipe. Today we are going to cook a special, beautiful, instant recipe. So it's called as cheesy Mexican Schezwan noodles. The reason why it is called instant recipe is because we are using instant noodles in this. So let's begin. So here are a few main ingredients of this recipe. These are the few vegetables. You can see tomatoes, bell pepper, garlic cloves, chillies, and ginger. And the main part of this recipe is this. Since this is the main part of the recipe, we require a cast iron vessel. So I am using this particular pan to roast these vegetables. So that we can cook a fine puree out of these vegetables. So we will cut these vegetables and put it into the cast iron vessel and roast it without pouring a single drop of oil in it. Okay, so let's begin with the recipe. So now you can see I have done with the cutting of the vegetables, and even I have lit up the stove so that we can heat up the cast iron. And now we'll put all these vegetables in the cast iron vessel and roast all these vegetables till it turns a little bit black, so that we get that smoky flavor inside our cheesy noodles. Okay, so let's begin. So now you can see these all tomatoes and chilies, bell peppers have turned a little smoky. So you can see the burned side of the tomatoes. So now we'll grind a fine paste out of it, so which will form the vegetable puree in which we'll cook the instant noodles. So here is the finely chopped paste of the roasted vegetables. So now let's start with the cooking of the noodles. So So here are a few new ingredients which we have added on to get that flavor. So this is the Schezwan sauce which we can get in our local departmental stores. The brand which I have used is Chinks. These are the 2 cheese cubes to get the cheesy flavor, and this is a bell pepper. So let's start with our recipe. Let's pour 2 tablespoons of oil in it so that we can cook the bell peppers, the raw bell peppers which we have kept aside. We'll add these bell peppers in it. Let it cook for a while. These are the brands of instant noodles which we are taking. So you can find it in a local market. So we are ready with our cheesy Schezwan instant noodles.